Okay everybody, today we're going to make a fountain. So what you're going to need for this is some sort of plastic bottle. I've got a 1 liter bottle here. This will work with a regular 20 ounce as well. A straw. A balloon. And there's a couple optional things here. I'm going to use a pan as a catch basin. And I'm going to use hot glue to make a seal. You can also use that blue tackum to seal it off, or even Play-Doh will create a seal as well. The other thing you're going to need is something sharp to poke a hole in the bottle. This is what you're going to need some adult help with. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to poke a hole in the bottle about halfway up. Now, once I've started the hole, it just needs to be big enough for my straw to fit in. So a lot of times I'll enlarge it with a screwdriver. Okay, now I have a hole big enough for my straw to fit through. So I put my straw in, and I'm going to angle my straw down so it comes down at the bottom of my water bottle. Here's where you can either use hot glue or your tackum or your Play-Doh. We want to make sure there's no gap around the straw. So I'm going to use some hot glue and make a seal all the way around the straw. Again, if you're using hot glue, this is something definitely get a parent's okay with first, and maybe get a parent's help or an adult help. Alright, now let that dry and I'll have it completely sealed off. I'm going to move some things out of the way and get some water, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, I have some water. I'm going to pour it into my water bottle. I don't want to pour higher than my hole. And so we can see the water a little better, I'm going to add some food coloring. Mix that up a bit. Alright. Okay, here's where the balloon comes into play. I'm going to blow it up as big as I can. Pretty big, and without letting any air out, a lot of times I'll give it a little twist to kind of help keep it from letting air out. I'm going to put it over the end of my water bottle. Now I'm just going to let it go. Let's see what happens. So what's going on here is, as the air is coming out of the balloon, and the balloon doesn't want to stay stretched out. It wants to contract. It's forcing the air from the balloon into the water bottle. And as it's going into the water bottle, something's got to get out of the way. And so the water in the bottom is being forced through the straw and out. So we've created a little fountain. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.